In this Slovak lesson, I want to show you that in Slovak it is very important to differentiate between short and long vowels because it might influence the meaning of the word or of such words in Slovak. I've chosen several Slovak words which are formally very similar. So they are written in a very similar way, but it is very important to keep a short vowel short, or to make the vowel long, because the meaning will rapidly change. I will read each word in English first and then repeat it twice in Slovak for you. So again, try to focus on short and long vowels and the different meaning. These words might be very confusing. First is delusion. Delusion in Slovak, mam. Mam. So the vowel a is short. Delusion, mam. Mam. However, the word I have, or the sentence I have, is in Slovak read pronounced mám. Mám. So as you can see, it's actually the same word, just having a long vowel in, and the meaning is completely different. The first delusion is mam, and I have is in Slovak mám, or ja mám. Well, but it's just enough if you say mám, because in Slovak sentences you don't always need the subject. So, following word, a lady, pani, pani. And now, gentleman, plural, gentleman, is in Slovak páni, páni. So a lady is in Slovak pani, and gentleman, plural, is in Slovak páni. Next word will be a house and a cathedral. A house is in Slovak dom, dom. A cathedral is in Slovak dom, dom. So again, a house, dom, dom, a cathedral, dom, dom. Now, a barrel and a trial or a court. So a barrel is in Slovak sud, sud. It's short, sud. A trail or a court is in Slovak long, so súd, súd. Again, a barrel is sud, and a trail or court is súd. Now, grandma and puppet. So grandma is in Slovak short. Babka, babka. It's quite a familiar word. And now puppet, which is long. Babka, babka. So again, a grandma is in Slovak babka, and a puppet is in Slovak babka. And the last word will be a line or a row in Slovak, and I like you or I love you. So a line or a row is in Slovak rad, rad. I like you is in Slovak mám ťa rád, which is long. Mám ťa rád. So again, a line is rad, and I like you is mám ťa rád. I will read all the words in Slovak again. Mam, mam, mám, mám, pani, pani, páni, páni, dom, 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 Súd. 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 Babka. Babka. Bábka. Bábka. Rad. Rad. Mám ťa rád. Mám ťa rád. However, here be very careful. If you are a man learning Slovak language, and you want to express your love or appreciation, say mám ťa rád. Mám ťa rád. So this sentence in Slovak means I love you, but a man has to say it to a woman. If you are a woman learning Slovak language and you want to express your love to men, so please don't say mám ťa rád. You will say mám ťa rada. Mám ťa rada. So again, a man to a woman, mám ťa rád. A woman to a man, mám ťa rada. And it means I love you or I like you. And a little bit of social Slovak. Here is a short dialogue meaning something. The first person says bye. Well, his friend will say or reply, bye, see you later. And the first guy says, oh yes. So in Slovak, dovidenia. Dovidenia, uvidíme sa neskôr. Áno. I will read it again. Dovidenia. Dovidenia. Uvidíme sa neskôr. Áno. So, in Slovak, bye or goodbye is dovidenia. Dovidenia. Bye, see you later, in Slovak is dovidenia. Uvidíme sa neskôr. Dovidenia. Uvidíme sa neskôr. And yes is in Slovak áno.